Do you think this pepper is ripe?
Looks perfect. Perfect. We have everything now.
Let's head to checkout.
We live in an illusion of abundance. Supermarket shelves are heavy with produce from thousands of miles away. But what happens if the supply chain breaks for just 1 week? Our grandparents didn't garden as a hobby. They did it for security. They knew that freedom begins in the soil. Today, we lack the space and time they had, which is why we must be smarter. We don't need more land. We need biologically optimized systems that work for us, not against us. A high-performance raised bed isn't just a wooden box, it's a biological reactor. By layering materials, heavy logs at the base, organic matter in the middle, and premium humus on top, we create something magical: constant heat. While ordinary soil is cold and compacted, this system generates energy through decomposition. This acts as a turbocharger for the roots, allowing you to harvest tomatoes weeks earlier and extend your production into the dead of winter. Let's open the hood of this system and understand why stratification is the secret to a quadrupled harvest. A poorly designed raised bed is just dirt in a box. Ours is a biological reactor. The first layer, at the very bottom, consists of heavy logs and thick branches. This isn't just filler. Dead wood acts as a sponge that holds up to 300% of its weight in water, releasing it slowly over time. Furthermore, it attracts beneficial fungi that build mycorrhizal networks, directly connecting to your plant's roots. Above that, we place semi-decomposed material, leaves, grass clippings, and straw. This is where the magic happens. The decomposition of this material generates constant heat, between 5 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius above the external temperature.
Yes! We've done it! I can't breathe! This air! So terrible!
Imagine your plants in a climate-controlled office while your neighbor's crops are stuck in a cold, damp basement. This heat is the turbocharger that allows you to harvest weeks before spring and keep producing in the dead of winter. Finally, we top it with black gold, mature compost, and worm humus, finishing with a layer of mulch. Mulch is the skin of your soil. Without it, you lose 10 liters of water per square meter on a hot day. With it, you preserve both life and moisture. Layer engineering, the biological reactor, the final touch, black gold and protection. Now, we reach the zone of immediate nutrition, the black gold. When we speak of mature compost and worm humus, we aren't talking about dirt. We are talking about a concentrate of biological intelligence. Worm humus is chemically 5 times richer in nitrogen, 7 times richer in phosphorus, and 11 times richer in potassium than ordinary soil. It contains enzymes that act as natural antibiotics for plants, protecting them from diseases before they even manifest. It is the immune system of your garden bed. But here is the mistake that 90% of gardeners make. They leave this gold exposed to the sun. This is where mulch comes in. Think of it as the skin of your soil. Bare soil on a 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit day can easily reach 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. This doesn't just evaporate water. It literally fries the microbiology you've worked so hard to build. Without cover, you lose about 10 liters of water per square meter every single day. It's like trying to fill a leaking bucket. By applying a generous layer of straw, coarse wood chips, or dry leaves, you create thermal insulation. Under the mulch, the temperature remains constant and cool, allowing worms and fungi to work at the surface even at high noon. Furthermore, as this mulch slowly breaks down, it feeds the soil from the top down, perfectly mimicking what happens on a virgin forest floor. You aren't just growing plants. You are managing a self-sustaining ecosystem. The anatomy of independence. I have shown you step by step how a single structural change can turn your entire concept of gardening upside down. The truth is brutally simple. 90% of all amateur gardeners waste their space and their time. They create garden beds that only think horizontally, as if the sky didn't exist. They plant in exhausted, compacted, and lifeless soil. They fight a losing war against slugs, weeds, and the unpredictability of bad weather. And, after months of effort, they harvest barely enough for 2 salads and 3 tomatoes. It doesn't have to be this way. What I have presented to you is not a shortcut. It is a system based on principles that have worked in nature for millions of years. Intelligent design is far more important than a large area of land. Now, we must understand what happens inside this system. Industrial agriculture over the last 70 years has sold us the lie that soil is merely a passive medium for chemical fertilizers. They want you to believe that you must buy bags of poison and synthetic nutrients every year. But the reality is that in a single teaspoon of healthy garden soil, there are more microorganisms than there are people on the entire Earth. More than 8 billion beings working in silence. If you feed them with the correct structure, they feed your plants. It is the greatest workforce on the planet, and they work for you for free 24 hours a day. The time when we could ignore the origin of our food is over. Today, true wealth is not found in what you can buy, but in what you are capable of producing. If this knowledge has opened your eyes and you feel ready to retake control over your plate and your future, then this is where you belong. If you enjoyed this video and believe that more people need this independence, subscribe to the channel now and leave a like. This helps this knowledge break through the algorithm barriers and reach those who truly need it. Share this video with that friend or family member who has a patch of land sitting idle. Let's transform that space into life. The time when we could ignore the origin of our food is over. Today, true wealth is not found in what you can buy, but in what you are capable of producing. If this knowledge has opened your eyes and you feel ready to retake control over your plate and your future, then this is where you belong. To make your journey easier, I have left a few suggestions for useful products and tools in the first pinned comment below. These are items I have personally selected to help you build an efficient garden, saving you time and preventing costly mistakes at the start. But this channel is not a monologue, it is a community. I want to hear from you. What topics would you like us to cover or dive deeper into in our next videos? A specific plant? A construction detail? Write it down below. And please, tell me, which country and city are you speaking from? Climate and soil change everything. By knowing where you are, we might be able to offer specific advice and suggestions for your residential area and climate zone in future content. Thank you for staying until the end. The future belongs to those who plant. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay independent.